Hello friends, welcome to Cool Tech Academy. Today's topic is Vivo Y71. It's a best budget smart mobile. The Vivo company officially launched this mobile on 14th April to the local showrooms. So let's talk about specifications of Vivo Y71. The display comes with 5.99 HD display along with 3000 mAh battery. When it comes to a processor, it have Snapdragon 450 chipset and the CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz. It has dual SIM with OLT support. Let's talk about camera. It have 13 megapixel of back camera and 5 megapixel of front camera. So the storage is 16 GB of ROM with 3 GB of RAM. It comes with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box. Everything is fine, but the only one disadvantage is there is no fingerprint scanner. It has a face unlock feature. So these are the specifications of Vivo Y71. What do you think, guys? Is it the best budget smart mobile or not? Tell me on comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share my videos and don't forget to subscribe for latest tech updates. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.